This video, backed by scientific research, delves into 9 amazing reasons to use baking soda every day. If you want to continue receiving videos that will keep you fit and healthy, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Let's get started. Baking soda, often overlooked as a simple kitchen staple, is a remarkable substance with a wide array of uses that extend far beyond the world of culinary arts. This versatile white powder, scientifically known as sodium bicarbonate, has been a constant companion in households for generations. 1. A natural deodorant that works wonders. Your personal scent is as unique as you are, and the choice of a deodorant can be highly individualistic, as more individuals seek a natural alternative to commercial deodorants due to concerns about the ingredients they contain. Baking soda emerges as a champion of personal care. With its pH-balancing magic, it effectively neutralizes the unpleasant odors originating from your underarms. This departure from traditional deodorants loaded with chemicals and synthetic fragrances is not only refreshing but also critical for those who want a more natural approach to staying fresh. By creating a simple paste with baking soda and water, gently applying it to your underarms, you'll discover a remarkably fresh and odor-free feeling that not only lasts throughout your day, but also resonates with your desire for a more natural, healthier lifestyle. 2. Smile with confidence. Baking soda teeth whitening. A bright, dazzling smile is often considered the best accessory anyone can wear. In your pursuit of a wider, brighter grin, baking soda can be your trusted ally. Baking soda shines as a natural teeth whitening agent. Its gentle yet remarkably effective approach to tackling unsightly stains and discolorations without relying on harsh chemicals is a game changer. Whether you opt to sprinkle a pinch of baking soda on your toothbrush or mix it with a drop of water to craft a homemade toothpaste, the results are transformative. However, it's crucial to exercise moderation, as excessive use could potentially harm your enamel. But with the right approach, you'll soon be flaunting your brighter smile with renewed confidence and a renewed appreciation for the natural alternatives at your disposal. 3. The marvel of skin exfoliation. Radiant, youthful skin is a goal shared by many, and exfoliation is a key player in achieving that desired glow. Enter baking soda, a fine-grained exfoliation superstar that works wonders. Its gentle yet effective particles are adept at whisking away dead skin cells, unclogging stubborn pores, and bestowing your skin with a texture as soft and rejuvenated as the dawn of a new day. By blending baking soda with water to form a soothing paste, and then lovingly massaging it onto your face or body using gentle circular motions, you initiate an invigorating ritual that results in a rejuvenated complexion. Every day feels like a visit to a luxurious spa, nurturing your skin and self-esteem. 4. Natural relief for heartburn. Picture this. You've just savored a sumptuous meal, and suddenly, the fiery grip of heartburn ensnares you. In those moments of discomfort, baking soda emerges as a near-instant savior. Its role as a natural antacid is its standout feature, enabling it to promptly neutralize the uncomfortable acidity that engulfs your chest and throat. Mixing a teaspoon of baking soda with a glass of water and sipping on it can provide rapid relief, extinguishing the burning sensation and bestowing you with comfort. This simplicity adds a layer of genuine appreciation to your daily routine, transforming the occasional discomfort of indigestion into an opportunity for natural relief. 5. A green cleaning agent for your home. The contemporary homeowner is increasingly aware of the importance of using eco-friendly and effective cleaning solutions in their abode. This is where baking soda takes the center stage as the green cleaning agent. It is potent, non-toxic, and incredibly versatile in tackling a wide spectrum of household cleaning tasks. The capacity to effectively scrub sinks, countertops, and appliances, combined with the environmentally friendly nature of baking soda, transforms mundane chores into acts of eco-consciousness. Further, when mixed with vinegar, it unfailingly creates a cleaning solution that is not only safe, but also remarkably efficient on various surfaces, aligning your home with the ideals of a cleaner, greener environment. 6. A breath of fresh air. Fridge and freezer odor eliminator. The kitchen serves as the heart of the home, and the refrigerator and freezer play indispensable roles within it. However, these essential appliances can, over time, accumulate unpleasant odors from the various foods they house. Enter baking soda, the unsung hero with remarkable odor-absorbing capabilities. Placing an open box of baking soda inside your refrigerator or freezer might seem like a simple act, but it has profound effects. It becomes a vigilant sentinel against odors, ensuring that the air remains fresh and your food remains untainted. This cost-effective solution transforms your kitchen into a more inviting and pleasant environment, turning everyday culinary endeavors into enjoyable experiences. 7. Soothe the sting. Relief for insect bites. The beauty of the great outdoors often comes with a price: insect bites and stings. The discomfort and itching they induce can mar what would otherwise be an enjoyable experience. Baking soda offers sweet relief through its anti-inflammatory properties, gently soothing discomfort and itching. By creating a soothing paste with baking soda and water and applying it to the affected area, you can swiftly transform those painful insect bites into mere memories of your outdoor adventures. The versatility of baking soda extends beyond the confines of your home, making it a valuable companion for your excursions into the natural world. 8. A natural hair cleanser. Your hair is a reflection of your overall health and beauty, and maintaining its natural vibrancy and cleanliness is of paramount importance. For those seeking a respite from harsh, chemical-laden shampoos, baking soda provides a gentle, natural alternative. By blending a small amount of baking soda with water and massaging it into your scalp, you effectively remove excess oil and product buildup, revitalizing your hair in the process. Following this cleansing ritual with a vinegar rinse helps restore your hair's pH balance, creating an everyday journey of self-care and pampering. With each application, you embrace the opportunity to cleanse your hair gently and maintain its natural splendor. 9. An unconventional hero. Fire extinguisher. Although using baking soda as a fire extinguisher is not a part of your daily life, understanding its potential in emergencies is essential. When subjected to heat, baking soda releases carbon dioxide, which creates a smothering effect that is highly effective in tackling small grease fires in the kitchen. Knowing this valuable property can potentially save lives and protect your home, rendering baking soda not just a household staple, but also a guardian of safety in your daily life. Baking soda, in all its simplicity, is a source of boundless potential for enhancing your everyday life. Its versatility, affordability, and eco-friendly nature make it an invaluable addition to your daily routine. However, it's critical to exercise moderation and responsibility in its use and consult with healthcare professionals when necessary. With these 9 remarkable reasons, you can fully comprehend the profound impact baking soda can have on your daily life, transforming it into a healthier, cleaner, and more sustainable existence. Embrace this unpretentious white powder and let it become an essential, versatile companion in your journey toward a better, more natural lifestyle every single day. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.